In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen mode in WPS Office. Using full screen mode is a great way to stay focused on your document, especially when you want a clean and distraction-free workspace. Whether you are editing, reading, or reviewing a file, full screen mode helps you see your content more clearly and makes better use of your screen space. In this video, I will walk you through the exact process so you can switch to full screen view and exit it easily whenever you need. Once you have WPS Office open on your desktop and your document is already on the screen, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the application window. This area contains several view and zoom-related options that control how your document appears on the screen. You may notice an option that allows you to fit the page to the window. This feature adjusts the document size so it fits neatly within the available workspace, which is helpful if you want to see the entire page without scrolling too much. However, if your goal is to remove all distractions and focus entirely on the document itself, full screen mode is the better option. Still at the bottom right corner, look for the full screen icon. Once you see it, simply click that icon. As soon as you do, WPS Office will switch to full screen mode. All menus, toolbars, and side panels will be hidden, leaving only your document visible on the screen. This gives you a clean and immersive view, which is ideal for reading long documents or concentrating on detailed edits. While you are in full screen mode, you can freely scroll through your document and review your content without interruptions. This view is especially useful when working on smaller screens or when you want to avoid accidentally clicking on other tools while reading. When you are ready to exit full screen mode, there are two simple options available. You can press the Escape key on your keyboard, which will immediately return the application to its normal view. Alternatively, you can click the Quit option that appears on the screen to leave full screen mode. Either method will bring back the menus and toolbars so you can continue editing as usual. By following these simple steps, you can easily switch between normal view and full screen mode in WPS Office and choose the layout that best fits your task. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.